up guys, it's raining today and it will be raining for the whole day. Whoa, this is the best weather ever. See the sea? I wonder I can swim there. Ha ha ha. Wait, do you hear that sound? The buildings, they're looking beautiful. Oh, the black clouds. I forgot to show you guys. Imagine the black cloud is just in front of you. It's just so near to you that you're afraid. You're afraid it might do something to you. That doesn't really happen, guys. But I'm still a bit afraid because I always seem afraid when I see the black clouds. This is the best weather ever. And you see me, guys? It's good. The best weather ever. Oh. These plants are dead. And this is the neighbor house. Oh. Our floor is not wet, our balcony floor. Can you see the rain, guys? I'm concentrating on the rain, but I'm afraid it's not visible to you guys. The sea is the best. Oh, the sea is moving, isn't it? Whoa. If my twin brother had been here, I would have surely enjoyed with him. This weather, he loves this weather, and me too. Wow. Oh, it's getting faster. You hear the rain sound? Whoa. Guys, isn't it cool? Oh, it's raining. It's getting faster and faster. Yay. It's going to rain the whole day. Whoa, it's getting faster. It's getting faster. It's amazing. It's amazing, isn't it? Oh, you can hear the sound. Whoa, it's... Whoa, awesome. Whoa, whoa, see those glasses? Fully drenched. Whoa, whoa. This is the best rainy weather, guys. Guys, I just want to give you a request. You can check out our twintwinkles.com for new updates. It'll be cool. It's raining. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye. And the sea is now visible to you. Ha ha.